Hi muchachonas, welcome back to my channel. For those of you that are new, please do not forget to subscribe. For today, this is something I've been wanting to show you guys for like the longest time, but I had to stop ordering this subscription box after I stopped working, which was a few years ago I think it was a few years ago. I think it was when I was pregnant of my first daughter. Okay, so this subscription box that I want to talk to you and show you guys about, I paid, I can't remember how much I paid, but without the shipping and handling, it's $13.99. And like I said, I had this box. I got a few boxes before this one, and I've been like dying to show this to you guys. And it is similar to BoxyCharm, but this, instead of makeup, they focus more on the lashes. And the brand is called LashyBox. They did have a name change not that recently, but maybe about a year ago. I can't remember the name they had previously. This is the box now. I mean, they've had the same box, just different name. And yeah, they focus on lashes. Ooh. Oh, these look gorgeous. 3D silk lashes. They are vegan and cruelty free. I'm gonna take them out. If I could take them out with these freaking nails. Yeah, I can. Oh, these are kind of long. Kind of long. And these are called Sweetheart. And this whole boxy came with 4 sets of eyelashes, which is the Sweetheart, First Date, and these don't have a name, but they say Candy Lashes. They don't have a name. Oh, Pop Rocks. And these are Ruby May 3D in 06. Okay, so I already showed you guys the Sweetheart. Now I'm going to show you guys First Date. It's hard to open with these nails. Can't really see it. Like this. Yeah, they're long and thin. The first one look like they have like a double layer of lashes. Yeah, like the top layer is a little more curled. The Ruby May ones. Yeah, you can see those there. They're super cute. Oh, and these are gorgeous. Yeah. They're really out there. But yeah, it came with 4 lashes for $13.99. The box. And keep in mind, there's also a palette that came with it. And I looked inside the little box, and it came with a little eyelash glue. Okay, the palette. A little cute palette. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. Thanks. They're really cute colors though. Let's see if I can open it. Obviously it can't because it has tape. Thank you, sir. Mitch! I'm gonna put that. I'm gonna leave that on here. Oh, these are tiny little squares. Like, I've never seen them this tiny. I wanna swatch them. They smell like makeup. Oh, they're pretty though. And I love that they have a black.
Of course.
They don't have names. I'm gonna try the first one. Ooh, they feel good. Like creamy good. Like really creamy good. Pretty. It's like a coppery color. And then I'm gonna Mitch.
What?
Thanks. Try this one. Oh, that one's pretty too. Yeah, and then I'm gonna try. Let's try this one. Oh, that one looks a little bit similar. More nude, right? It's a more nudish color. You're not really gonna be able to see it on my skin. Looks like a highlighter on my skin. Try this matte. No, let's try this matte. This. Let's try this one. Oh. Ooh, I like that one. Yeah. And I'm gonna try 4 more. I'm gonna try this one. A little shimmer in there. Right. Oh, that one's pretty too. Can't really see the shimmer in. Oh yeah, you can. And then this one. Oh gosh. That one is gorgeous too. super shiny. I'll try this one. This one. Oh. Yeah, that one's pretty too. And then I'm gonna try the black one. Nice. Yeah, that's there. I know I've tried quite a few palettes where they have a black and the black is just really sheer, or just the pigment isn't there, and I'm not disappointed with this palette. It's cute. I've never heard of this brand. Okay, so I really like this palette. These shades are really creamy. They feel good. They're just gorgeous. I need to check out this brand. Like I said, I've never heard of this brand before. These are gorgeous. I definitely got to create a look with this. And keep in mind that I got all of this for $13.99, and that is not including the shipping and handling. I think it's worth it. I always need myself some lashes. This is a price of $13.99 every month. While they do have other options, I don't know the prices, but like if you get them for 6 months, the option where you get it, make a payment of 6 months, it will have like a discount. They won't pay you they won't charge you $13.99 for every month. There's a discount kind of. And no, as much as I would like this video to be sponsored, it's not sponsored. Yeah. Let me know if in the comments if you have a subscription box similar to this, if it's better, if you think it's better, more affordable, or just any subscription box like BoxyCharm. I had BoxyCharm too, but I need more lashes and I need makeup, so I had to get this one. I'm not saying that I have a lot of makeup either, because I don't. And also, right now that I'm remembering, because I'm looking at this, they do have other options for smaller boxes. Like I said, I can't remember the prices for these. I think this one was the biggest one, the $13.99, where you get 3 to 5 items. And I think there's other ones where you only get 3 lashes. The 3 to 5 items would be also like a makeup product. Yeah. So yeah, like I said, let me know about that stuff in the comments. If you have any other questions, you can also leave that in the comments. Let me know if you like to hear my brother in the background.
Shout out.
Shout out
on Instagram, crispy.mitch. Follow me, give 50 likes, and I'll do a collab with Jasmine.
Don't forget to like my video, share it with your friends. If you know, like you have a friend that needs lashes but can't really afford them at the moment, this could be the way to go. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like this video, and if not, it's okay. Maybe next time I'll get you. Okay, muchas gracias y besos.